Give yourself an emotional detox. Are you in a habit of checking your phone or laptop every few minutes to read messages from different media sources? Do you evaluate the quality of information you consume? Do you listen, read, and watch everything coming your way? Just as food nourishes the body, information nourishes the mind. Every piece of information we consume is a source of our thoughts. Today, not just our phones, but our mind is flooded with information. In the name of news and entertainment, we consume energies of violence, hatred, ridicule, and manipulation. So our thoughts reflect shades of anger, fear, and stress. We are what we read, watch, and listen. To keep our thoughts pure and positive, we need to filter the information we are taking in. So, the next time we receive any message, let us reaffirm, I am on an emotional diet. The information I consume and share with others is pure, positive, and powerful, and fills me with happiness, harmony, kindness, sharing, and caring. I delete negative messages without even going through them. I keep my mind and intellect positive and clean at all times. The digital world has made it challenging for some of us to reconnect with the real world. With media flooding our gadgets, we are all going through a content overdose. Most messages focus on negative stories, give us negative opinion about people, things, and the world, and heighten the negative levels in our minds. Sit back and check how you control your daily media intake. When you consume only positive information, your mind has raw material to create only positive thoughts and feelings. You will help yourself immensely by avoiding gossip, judgment, and insult, all in the name of entertainment or being well informed. With less distraction and more time, your days will be more productive and relaxed. So, enjoy your time online, but maintain inner awareness all the time of what you consume. Thank you.